Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will be applying a screen protector on my daughter's tablet, Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch to the end. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Please, we are begging. And for the new comers, thanks for coming across to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you. And again, yeah, this is the best screen protector I have come across. Best tempered glass I have come across. I really love it so much. I equally attached this same screen protector on my own tablet, and equally on my granddaughter's tablet, Galaxy Tab A8. Yeah, so today we will be applying this also, the same products also on this particular tablet. Okay, stay tuned and watch to the end. See you guys in our next video.
When life gets rough